Good morning, guys. It's Jibs. It's been a while since I've done any videos and I've just been quiet. Reason being, it's real life. Like, we have lives outside of trading, and it's good to take a break from, the trading scene and get your emotions and your energy drained from the market. So it's also that, and I was ill. So a bit froggy, sluggish, and all that jazz there. So I only took the trades that were literally a no-brainer. I used a high time frame. But from that, missed some moves, but that's a part of the game. You can't be in every move. So yeah. So I have three breakdowns, trade breakdowns. So two of them on Peso, Usdmxn, and gold. And I also have Swiss franc to break down. So get through this now. So I have Peso to get you guys like up to speed and scratch about this. So it came out this contraction last year, which I was in longs. And literally area of contraction is also area of supply and demand. So this area is demand, here's area of demand. So literally this level here is a low of this order block or now breaker. Then you got the contraction here, this order block here. This zone here is area of demand. So right now price is declining, looking for liquidity, which I expected a long time from the big short from here. So roughly, literally, I'll be in the buy of in this zone. So caught all the intraday longs from here. Where I'm looking to be net longs and just reload a lot of longs is in this zone here. So this level here, which is just say under 18 cents, and then obviously this daily block here. So this level here and this contraction, go on the 4 hours, see if it's clearer. It's that. When I talk about confidence, this is what I'm telling you. So we've got area of demand, we've also got the order block here engulfing this level. So this level alongside the zone, which is the order block engulfing it, area where buying pressure should occur. So demand exceeding supply. So when it gets to the trades I took, go on the 1 hour time frame. So the first trade was this from here. So this is Friday session of last week. This is Thursday, so it declined, reversal Thursday, and then we got on the Friday. Was price action was dormant. It was rubbish. So it's contracting. This is contraction to me. It's a little range play. So I caught the low, run this in this order block. So I see in this order block, and my stops was just below the low, just below, and I actually forgot that I had the trade running. Like I just left it. So I had other things to do. Oh no! I came back on Monday to see the market. I just saw that. Whoa! I'm in it, and I would say that. So in the back of my in my mind, is that as I know there's an order block forming here, and this is contraction to me, is that if price does come back to this area, you still see expansion on the upside. So what she done on Monday? So it gaps open, trades up a bit, declines, and then tests this order block. What did he? The buying pressure. Demand exceeds supply. Simple. Expansion to the upside. And my target was this level here. So it was literally just like below this order block. So I just know I'll get filled. That was a simple trade. Quick I think it was 4 or 5 hours, one of the two. But I made money to profit. And reason I could have targeted the liquidity above here into this block, which you did. But you don't go broke taking profits, and also it's a small account, so it's just literally account that I just put money in, start the month, and then just trade it, and then at the end of the month, take how much I've made, and then use that for all bills and all that, literally. And then now for the second trade, so as I gave you the lowdown on what happened that week on a Friday, a Monday. So for me, Friday's how it got taken out. It just shows that price wants to see higher. Even though in the back of my mind, I know Peso is looking to go to 18 cents as that's what liquidity is at. So it's just literally intraday trades, intraday long. So even miss out this trade, as yesterday was a really long day, so I didn't even trade and missed out all the, the juicy business that happened on the TL. But that's life. So this trade here, so as you can see, like voids has been filled, like not filled but like created, and then you got another void here, and you got area of supply here too. So mention about this block here. What I like to say is that people that get fucked over in this markets are people that hold on to trades for too long or longer than it should, or people that buy in niche areas. So like here, so instead of buying them in area of demand or buying the dips or select the rallies and all that jazz there, they're buying inside the expansions. So it's just like if you trade cryptos, you know that people fear or missing out. So they buy into this, it's gonna go up, and then what happens? The market makers, the big boys, the whales, will come in and dump price, which is just a simple supply and demand. Guessing that area of supply, it's all the block here, this one here, and then it shits itself. So noticing that price is going lower, I just know that this block here is gonna be key for me for this trade. So what happened is that, cool, you see this, I just looking to fill the void into area of demand or origin, so point of origin of this expansion. It freed up liquidity for price to go like to decline further, which it has done now. So as it decline further, we've got intermediate highs here, got market structure highs as well, and then it's order block. So once this low got raided into this order block, I was looking for first price action, which we good. Here is a 50-minute order block. But we'll just run this through before we get to 50 minutes. So we've got this liquidity void here, got the order block, we've got liquidity above these highs, and we're here. So go to 50 minutes time frame. You see everything. So spike down, freed up liquidity for price to decline further. You can see the market structure highs, this intermediate high here too. So what we have here is market structure break. So this indicates here price wants to go higher. So it just raids those that short here too. Liquidity stops, drops into an order block here, and yeah, black and white price action really. As you can see in the 1 hour time frame, we've got a fractal low. So a fractal low is a low with two high lows either side of it. So high low here and a high low here. So that's 15 minutes, sorry. Come on, back to the area. So literally, you see it cross clear, so like the wicks, black and white price action straight into the order block. All you see is wicks. That's how beautiful the price action was. It was so easy to trade it. That literally bought here, starts to be below here, we get that tight R. Like some say you can't get 20 R's and all that jazz there, but but it's easy when you know what you're doing and you experience, like, or you put all your energies into price action, you understand how price function and whatnot. So you know that price is seeking to go higher, and we've got areas where price will get drawn to. So one, got these highs here, liquidity, it's high here too. So once price breaks above here, my target was literally the structure, so here. So I just want to see this liquidity void here to get filled. So once these highs got taken out, I just knew that, oh, these are to get filled up, which it has. So trading up, got some high highs, high lows, up, and then price gradually went up, and then you got this expansion to the upside quickly. Fills the voids, TP hit, simple trade, free money again. So yeah, now price declines into area of the supply. As I said, it's intraday. So the best thing to do if you're planning your trade your plan. If you're planning to trade a pair, you do the intraday. Don't be changing your mind that you're gonna swing it or hold it for a few days or to try to do a day trade, because that's how you mess up and your emotions will slightly creep in because you're falling in love with unrealized profits, unrealized P&L. Sorry. And before I go to gold quickly, we'll just talk about this trade here that I missed. So what I noticed is that if I was to zoom this across, not zoom it across, makes it think that's terrible. Where is it that gets extended? I forget. So if I edit this right now, so which level? Should be this. So if I put this to 1, okay, not 1, 100, okay, 1,000. Cool. Just leave it at that. This level here, this level of demand on a 1 hour time frame. I see price look for liquidity, shoots down, and if you're going to do it before I talk through it, so when a daily high or low gets raided or taken, a reversal happens. It tends to happen, and that is pretty much like, we'll say 6 out of 10 or 7 out of 10. That is just a raid and she'll do a quick reversal for liquidity. Other than that, if it's not a raid, then literally it's just something else. Move. Try to zoom in. I don't know that. Yeah. So going 1 hour time frame. So you have this low here, which is daily low here. Price traded up. Raise the low. Reversal. Free money. And literally into this order block here, to this breaker. Even what's like if you was to draw the line across, we have market structure. Easy targets. So it's just a quick reversal. It's just a move that I missed out on. That as soon as I saw it on my phone, I just knew, yeah, it raid the low. And what it done is a quick reversal for liquidity. And take those that, like literally anyone that's short here, you know, their stops will be residing over this intermediate high here, there, and it's just literally running those stops. What it's gonna do, what do I think price is gonna do now for peso? I'm not really sure. Like, I'm not really like. I'll probably take this. Probably not trade today. You can go higher, trade into this block here, and still like keep intact the high, the lower highs. So like the trend down, and then looking for 18 cents, or we can see it raid some of these highs into this order block here, fresh area supply, and then decline. But I'll probably get back into this next week and see what price done today. So the next one, in fact, before I do gold, I'll probably do gold in another video, so I'll probably trim this down. It'll be Swiss franc. So before I even get there, I have a screenshot that I've done run through one of the guys I mentor. So he was asking me for my opinion on Swiss franc. I told him straight away, Swiss franc is a dodgy pair. For when they can just do 1,000 pip move down in one day, like that shows you that indicates one mad big finger. It's something I'm not interested in looking at, as you know, even if you have a tight stuff, slippage is crazy. So forget that. Here's a screenshot. This is my views on it. So we've got just one annotation. So literally, if you go through it, I'll show you on the trading view. So literally, this is price action. This is like a monthly order block here. So this, what color is that? We'll say grey area. It's the demand zone for the monthly. On a monthly, you see price fluctuating on a 4-hour time frame. You here area of contraction here. So drop, base, rally, area of demand. Then you got rally, base, rally, another area of demand. But importantly, it's order block here. If you refine it. So price rallies and then drops back. So retrace a bit into this order block. Respects it, fails to close below it. Shows you indication of strength in the zone. Also failed to take out the low here. Kept the high trend intact. So high highs and high lows. Forms another order block, shoots up, and then you got this breaker here too. So little or no resistance here. So little resistance, and then prices shoots through. So one thing to note is that when I was charting this quickly, let's go through, is that cool. This is an area of demand. We have basically 3 areas of demand, isn't it? So as is an uptrend, there's liquidity here, gives this low, and this low too, and then it's a fresh area of demand. So this will be the last resort for bulls for fresh area of demand, like literally right there. So if price was to seek liquidity after taking the month of Friday's high, we see price decline to find demand. So it could be either this block even, but I just said to myself, like, this low here has a lot of liquidity too. So it's probably good look to run stops and this low, find support into this breaker, and rally into 96, 0.96, or find another support and then run through it, trade low into this area of the month. So this zone here is clean as a sack. I was telling them, like, literally, if this block doesn't hold, this is like the block I'll be using. Like, listen, if it breaks this, like literally violates this block, I'm not really interested in this pair, pretty much. Even though this is the last result, I like the amount of demand that's here. I don't mind it running stops and then reversing, shows you like a wick, and you're supposed to block. Or give me confirmation that this area is like, you know, validated, like, you know, something that give me confidence to trade it, yeah? And just shows price action is clean. I don't want to trade it, don't look at it anymore. Like never again, like stick to what I said, like never trade this pair. So reasons like the amount of order, we've got this order block here, the zone, the one order block here. You've got order block that formed inside there, another order block here. So we've got a lot of confidence, like, you know, a lot of demand right here. This is where the buying pressure should occur from, where demand should exceed supply. Because price has taken a liquidity on the upside, and now it's supposed to take out liquidity from the downside. So at least it's taking out some liquidity here and fill out the void. So that give it conviction to go higher. So that's what I had drawn out, and obviously my target was at this order block here, and also more importantly the big figure, 1.96. If we go in it and see what price done, It's done what everything I said. So, not to brag, but what I try to say is I planned the trade. I did trade the plan. I was in it from this move here, and I cut the trade before it ran stops again, and then I missed the opportunity to get into this move again and this expansion. So I was planning to get in this move, but price will leave value. Sometimes you just have to admit that, cool, you studied price, traded this is what price did, but you didn't get in the trade, so you didn't make money, but you didn't lose money. So as you can see now, price run stops on Friday's high, trade low, went higher back again. So like finally like take out more liquidity. Then it ran stops on the downside. So Monday's price action here. Then this is I think it's Thursday. Not Thursday. Last week, like the week prior to it. But like run stops low on the low here. The breaker is what I got in. So you can see like it respected it, especially respected equilibrium. Trades higher, and then literally fell the trade into all the block, but respected this breaker here, decline, and then this area. Like look how clean the price action. Like it tested it, nice, like by pressure. It's mild, but it's like a nice, just like something that you want. So intraday quickly into all the block, cut, and then what price just still kept intact the lower highs and the lower lows. So as I said, like this zone here has to hold, or at least a raid on this to give it conviction to do a quick reversal. What happened is it took out, raised this low here, respects these blocks here, and then boom, expansion to the upside. And then what did it reverses into this order block here, and then you got this beautiful expansion. Beautiful. Like this stuff would be like one of the best trades to take. Literally just into the order block here, and then target the liquidity above here. Trade. Oh, free money. Just free money. Like even though it's targeted the intermediate highs here on the order block, it's still free money. Look at the expansion. Clean. And then to get back into this move, you just need to catch the high low. What was the high low form? So we have this breaker here. So I was going to use this as a pivot. Price fails to even trade into it, and then it continue higher. And then I was telling the guy that notified me, mentee, that see how this breaker didn't really hold. It did have little significance here, and then it was used again on the opposite side as an order block again. And then I was mentioning that this is gonna be a pivot. So say like this area here doesn't hold, and price want to fill out this liquidity. This liquidity void, here would be the area that I want to buy from. This is essentially be used as a pivot. Like, other than that, just clean, simple processing. And this is what I advise people to do. It's like sometimes you don't have to trade to gain the experience. Just do charting, know what price is doing, and also you can demonstrate this, or you do live testing. So just open a small account at least, and then trade it with real money, so you still get the aspect that cool. You're risking money, so it's not fake money in that 10,000 account of fake free money to trade with. You actually gain experience. So sometimes you don't have to. Sometimes you know what I mean. So you can just literally analyze the charts, plan how you get in the move, or how you think price will fluctuate. Know what price has done. So I said, so take out Friday's high. If I take out Friday's high, and it respects this block, and it forms a higher low and then higher, and then after clear the stops, it shut itself. So like I've been more looking at the charts. Like cool, I'm waiting for price to get to sale. So Tuesday, Wednesday, I want to see price forming the low of the week here, or at least here. So you see, like, okay, price is going to according to plan. Even though I know that there's gonna be some buying pressure here, I could have traded this, but I have other pairs that I had more attention to. So like Peso and gold. So with this, I just know my emotions was like cool. Raised the high, then this was like okay, maybe I was wrong. I should have not undermined this block. I'll come back to it Tuesday, see what happens. Like if price does decline, all I know is that this area doesn't demand, I want to be a buyer. So if it drops here, I was like, ah, cool. I can trigger the Tuesday. I can trigger the buys. Bought into it, didn't hit here, into the spray car, profit, and then drops decline into this area here, got in, got out, split all the block, and then missed this opportunity after the raid, and then she price just left without me. How'd that feel? Well, it's funny. I missed a trade. Cool. I didn't use the money. I will miss another 1,000 trades. I won't lose another £1,000 or so. But it's the skill that you need to learn. It's not all about the money. So with this, it's just that I've got a sample just to talk through. I'm gonna stop the video here, and then I'm gonna do the gold video in the next hour or so. Just had to drop my kids, my daughter to nursery. So I'm like ICT now. Yeah, hopefully this video is beneficial, and yeah. So I'm gonna make an Instagram account. So it's gonna be JoyFX. So I'm gonna post my charts there. So a lot of my charts gonna be there. So I have some old charts that I'll post there. So if you follow that up, it's the same as my Twitter name and Snapchat name, JoyFX.